Okay, so we have some people working on a light pole right there here in Vientiane, Laos, but that's not what's important. What is important is, well, the lights just went out again. So that's the important thing. If you are here in Vientiane, Laos, or I would say most places in Southeast Asia, this whole idea of you having rolling blackouts where you lose electricity out of the blue, whether they're trying to fix something and they made a mistake, or they just don't have the right infrastructure, which is what it is most of the time. It's just that the infrastructure is not there. You're gonna have things like this where you just losing your electricity, and not just at your house, but like entire neighborhoods or sections of where you're staying. It is a normal thing. And it's not just electricity. There could also be water issues as well, because most of these countries, at least the ones that I've been to, like say here in Laos, or maybe parts of Thailand, or Cambodia, or Vietnam, they're gonna have, you know, infrastructure issues where they're not really set up properly, or they haven't been able to build up for the population or things that are going on in that country. And so that is just the reality of it. And if you've never experienced this before, like say you're from the United States and stuff, then this is probably not something that you normally see. Of course, we've had blackouts in the US, you know, but most of the times it's not anywhere near what happens here. There's fail-safe. It's normally just in your house or just a few households. Whereas here in parts of Southeast Asia, it's a normal thing. Rolling blackouts and water issues are pretty common, to be honest with you, unless you're in a more developed part in Southeast Asia, like maybe in Malaysia. It has a lot much better infrastructure, or Bangkok, stuff like that. And then, you know, whenever you're thinking about things like electricity and water, those aren't small things, especially water. Those are essential things. And so if you are going to be planning to travel here, I would do some research and try to find out which countries has issues like this, so that you can be prepared, you know, especially if you're traveling with a family and you want to be sure that, you know, the infrastructure is going to be able to, you know, help support your family while you're here. And also, if you are aware that these things are happening, then you could actually kind of make plans to adjust for that, you know. And yeah, that's just something that is common here, and something that I had to get used to whenever I'm visiting. And now it's just normal for me, you know, if lights go out or plumbing issues. I think plumbing issues are worse than electrical issues, because if your plumbing's bad, then well, other bad things come out of it, as you could probably imagine. And so that's my quick video on electricity, water, infrastructure, and just the real daily life of people living here in Laos, but also other parts of Southeast Asia. So if you actually had any thoughts in this, or any of your own experiences in this region, be sure to leave in the comments area below. And if you did want to see more of my travel videos, I do have an entire playlist. I'll leave that in the description area below or up here.